Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful flower motif. It is titled as Celtic flower motif and it is in the series of granny squares. It's a beautiful motif to place it on any of your projects or your wearables, on your as appliques and so on and so forth. So let us go into the video without much delay. Chain 5. Join with a slip stitch to the first chain and form a ring. Chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, 5 double crochet in the ring, chain 1. So repeat this 3 times. Say C1, chain 1, 5 DC, chain 1, 3 more times. I shall also repeat 3 more times and get back to you. I have come to the end of round 1. I have chained 1. Now slip stitch to the first single crochet, slip stitch to the chain space, slip stitch into next 2 DCs, chain 1, single crochet in the next DC, chain 10, single crochet in the third DC of the next floweret, chain 10, single crochet in the middle DC of the next floweret. So continue on the other sides, other petals too. I shall meet you in the beginning here. I have come to the end of this round here. You'll have 4 chain 10 spaces. Now slip stitch and join to the first single crochet here, chain 1. No need to chain 1, just make 15 the single crochets in the next chain 10 space for the next round. So every chain 10 space will have 15 single crochets. Slip stitch to the next single crochet, again 15 single crochets, slip stitch to the single crochet here, 15 single crochets. Continue the stitch repeat on all the 4 chain 10 spaces. Come to the end of this round here. Now slip stitch to the first single crochet, slip stitch to the next 2 single crochets, chain 1, and place a single crochet in next 9 single crochets. Chain 5, skip the next 3 single crochets and the next 3 single crochets on the other loop here. So totally 6 single crochets you will skip. 1 2 3. In the 4th single crochet you will place a single crochet and 1 single crochet on each of the next 8. So continue this pattern on all 4 petals here. Okay, you will be skipping the last 3 of the first working one and the first 3 of the next, and you will place 1 single crochet in the middle 9 single crochets of each of the 15 S's. The middle 9 S's you are working now. I have come to the end of this round here. I have chained 5. Now slip stitch and join to the first single crochet of the 9. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 here. Slip stitch here. Skip the first SC, chain 1 and make an SC in each of the next 7 single crochets. Chain 5, one double crochet, chain 5, one double crochet in the third chain of the 5 chains. So in this chain we are going to make one double crochet, chain 5 and one double crochet, all in the same chain. Again chain 5, skip the first single crochet of the 9 and place one single crochet each on each of the next 7 single crochets. Chain 5, one DC, chain 5, one DC, one double, one chain 5, one double in the third chain. So 1 2 3 here. And a double, all in the same chain. So continue this pattern, repeat on the other sides too. I shall meet you where I began. I have come to the end of this round here. So I'm going to do the invisible joint. Leave a little bit of yarn, cut it, and pull it out. Now this is the first single crochet. So take this yarn, insert the hook from behind and pull this yarn from front to back, and then so here we go. So invisible joint done even over the chains, and this yarn I will hide it behind the stitches here. So here we have our Celtic square, Celtic granny square. This little flower motif can be used on any of your projects that you like, and this is a typically 5-inch square, and you can use for projects that require 5-inch squares. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you have any queries, do post in the comments section. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you'll be notified of the videos that we upload every day. Do like our videos and share too. Bye for now. Have a great day friends.